All right, I've got one really small but kind of cool thing to show you today. This is going to open up your keyboard view, which for some of you, I don't use this at all personally, but some of you might find this really helpful. All you have to do is hit P for piano. There it is. Okay. Apparently I had to select on the page. All right. P for piano, and voila. At the bottom, I've got this lovely keyboard at my disposal. Now, what can I do with it? Well, I can see where the notes on the staff correspond. So for example, if I want to see where this chord corresponds, notice how F4, A4, and C5 light up in blue. That usefully shows me where on the keyboard these notes or chords occur, which is gives you a little bit of a sense of a keyboard geography. Another thing that's really cool about this, let's just go into note input mode for a moment. I'm going to hit N to get a note input mode. I could literally just like click keyboard keys and it'll place them. I don't know, I'm just hitting random notes. Let's make eighth notes. Hit 4. And I could just hit random keyboard keys to kind of input notes that way. So obviously I'm not going to keep any of this mess, but I just wanted to show you that that was a thing. You just hit P, it toggles off the keyboard on and off. It's a useful thing to know that exists. Some of you might be more visual note input people, in which case you might actually really like having that tool at your disposal, especially if you're writing something on the keyboard and you're needing to figure out, okay, how do I translate what I just played on my own keyboard into the score? And having that visual aid, I think, is really neat, really helpful. Some of you might use it, some of you might not, but it's good to know it's there.